Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link MailChimp to Capsule CRM step by step, so you can connect your contacts, streamline your workflow, and keep your marketing and customer management in sync. If you use MailChimp for email campaigns and Capsule CRM to manage leads and customers, this integration can save you a ton of time and help you stay organized without constantly switching between tools. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Capsule CRM account and ready to authorize MailChimp. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple software guide like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Capsule CRM in your browser and open your account dashboard. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and click on your profile. This is where Capsule keeps your account settings and connection options. After that, click on Integrations. This will take you to the Integrations area where you can connect Capsule with other apps and services to extend its functionality. Now scroll down through the list of available integrations until you find MailChimp. When you see it, click on MailChimp to open the setup page. This is the section that lets you start linking the two platforms together. On the MailChimp integration page, you'll see an option to enable the connection. Click Enable Integration to begin the process. At this point, Capsule will prompt you to sign in to your MailChimp account. Enter your MailChimp login details carefully and continue. Once you're signed in, MailChimp will ask for permission to connect with Capsule CRM. This is a standard authorization step, and it allows Capsule to access the integration features it needs to sync data properly. Review the prompt, make sure it looks correct, and then click Allow. After you approve access, Capsule and MailChimp will start connecting in the background. Depending on your account and settings, this may take a few moments. Once it's complete, your MailChimp integration should be active and ready to use. From here, you can begin using the connection to organize contacts and support your email marketing workflow more efficiently. If you need to manage the integration later, you can always return to the integration section in Capsule CRM and review your connected apps. And that's it, you've successfully linked MailChimp to Capsule CRM. Now your tools are connected, your workflow is more streamlined, and you're ready to work faster with less manual effort. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone else who uses Capsule CRM or MailChimp. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.